Before you strike your first arc, remember this. Welding is powerful, but without the right safety, it can also be dangerous. So today, let's learn what safety tools you need and what knowledge is essential to start welding the right way. Welding is the process of joining metals using heat. Whether you're working in construction, fabrication, repair, or industry, your safety comes first. So let's break everything down step by step. Helmet, or welding mask. You must always wear a welding helmet with the correct shade filter. The light from the arc can damage your eyes permanently. Auto-darkening helmets are best because they automatically adjust brightness. Safety glasses under the helmet. Even inside the helmet, small metal sparks can fly, so wear clear safety glasses underneath. Gloves. Use heat-resistant leather welding gloves. Do not use cotton or rubber gloves, they will burn or melt. Apron or fireproof jacket. Wear a leather apron or a flame-resistant welding jacket to protect your chest and arms. Boots. Wear closed, heat-resistant leather boots. Never weld wearing slippers or sandals. Respirator mask. Welding fumes can harm your lungs. Work in a ventilated area and use a respirator mask whenever possible. Make your workspace clean and organized. No papers, plastic, or gasoline near the welding area. Keep a fire extinguisher nearby. Work indoors or under shade, but ensure proper ventilation for fumes. If indoors, use white light to create natural daylight brightness. To begin welding, you need the following tools: a welding machine, arc or MMA machine for beginners, a welding electrode holder, a ground clamp, welding electrodes, a steel brush, a chipping hammer, a bench or a work table, and C-clamps or vise to hold metal steady. These tools help keep your work stable, clean, and safe. To learn welding correctly, practice these skills: how to strike an arc, how to maintain arc length, not too far, not too close. Control speed of movement to create a clean weld bead. Weaving technique to fill gaps. And cleaning slag after each weld pass. Remember, skill comes with practice. Start slow, stay patient, and focus on quality, not speed. If you follow the right safety methods and learn the basics step by step, you can become a strong and confident welder. Take care of your safety, because your hands, your eyes, and your life are more important than any job.